Hello and welcome back guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you about how you can update your Brave or Chrome browser. It's a very simple step. You need to just click 2 or 3 options and you are ready to go. So without wasting our time, let's get started. First of all, to update your Brave browser you need to open it. When you open it, make sure it is in the full screen, and at the top right corner you will see 3 lines, a menu button I call it, and click them, and after that click on settings. When setting opens, scroll down a little bit and there you find an about Brave option. Just click on that and it will start checking like the Brave, and my Brave is up to date, so that's why it's showing your Brave is up to date. Otherwise it will start updating automatically, and after that you can see the current version of official 64-bit, and that's how you can update your Brave. Now let us see how you can update your Chrome browser. To update your Chrome browser you need to open it first. When you open it, make sure it is also in full screen, and after that you will see 3 dots in the top right corner over here. Click on it and then tap on settings, then same, go to about Chrome option in the bottom left corner and about Brave, and it will also start checking, and after a little bit while, and if your browser is not up to date, it will start updating your browser automatically too, and after that like you can enjoy the latest feature in Chrome. And that's all from my side. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and click on the subscribe button. If you didn't understand how to update it, I also mentioned a blog post in the in the description box, and go and check it out from there. And that's all. Bye bye.